Now, the first thing we're going to do is set the home position on the viewcube. That's this gadget up here, top right. So what we want to do is hit this position here and come down here to this little down arrow, and we'll set this view as the current one, as home. So you notice now we have X, Y, and the Z axis visible. You should also notice that the cursor itself has now got the X, Y, and Z axis visible. So let's draw a box. Hit the box icon on the ribbon. Select your first corner. Select your second corner. And now let's create the height. We put in a value of 5. And there's our box. Now we can look at that from any of the views we like. That's from the top. Straighten this up. This is from the west, the front, from the right, from the back, from the top, from home. So that's the basics of getting started with 3D drawing in AutoCAD 2025.